Hey everybody, James here, and in this video I'm just going to take you through, I suppose what we call the data fusion now between our Intune extension and Rimo3 data. So this is really about bringing the valuable insights that we have with the Rimo3 automation engine and bringing those into Intune, and these are insights such as more detailed application package discovery, validation, testing data that you don't really have in Intune today, right? Like I'm in Intune now, and let's focus on my favorite, Firefox 122.0.1. Right now I'm here. I don't know if that runs on a particular version of Windows that I have in my environment. I don't know if it's going to damage my environment, if it's going to crash, if it's going to give a bad user experience. I don't really know what executables or shortcuts or services that get delivered as part of that application. And really, that's the power of the Rimo3 platform, that we're able to provide this type of data. However, the challenge has always been that it sits inside here, which is our main user interface in the main Rimo3 platform. So if I just look for the particular version, so here Firefox 122.0.1. So what I've done is I previously exported this to my Intune environment, but if I drill in a second, I can see the metadata. I can see a bunch of information here around, okay, what does this application actually install? What are the shortcuts and executables and services? And not just that, I've probably done some testing for this application as well. So if I go to my Windows readiness here and I search for Firefox, here we go, here's 122.0.1. I can see that I've got a successful validation of this application against this version of Windows 11. I can see this lovely video, I can see the app launching, etc. So that's great, right? But when I'm in Intune, I don't know this. So it could be, for example, it could be a totally different person using Rimo3 platform compared to someone who's responsible for assigning apps in Intune. So I'm in this app now in Intune, and I'm opening my plugin. I'll just go back to the home screen, and I can see I've got this new box here, view Rimo3 package details for the current app. I can see I'm in Firefox. I can click on this button, and I can see, okay, this has been verified by Rimo3. We've got a nice little tick here. We've got some metadata here. We haven't done any UAT on this, but that data would pull through also. But we do have some smoke tests that have been done. So this is the one I'm particularly interested in my target environment, which is Windows 11 23 H2. I've got a successful test here. I can actually click on this and it will take me directly to that sequence, so I can look at the video and that stuff that I showed previously, performance data. Again, I can jump straight to that, all directly from within Intune. I've also got some other information. So these are some other sequences I've run. So I've converted this one to an MSIX, for example. I've also done some other deployments of this application, and if you'd have seen one of my earlier videos, you'd have seen that cleanup that I did earlier. And then we can also see this discovery information here, so we can see all of those executables and shortcuts that this application deploys, as well as a service that gets deployed as well. So there you go. For those apps that you import into your Intune environment from Rimo3, from your Rimo3 environment, you're going to get some bonus value from the extension to see those additional details. And it's really straightforward. You can jump to any of these apps. So let's just jump to Docker, for example. Like, again, I can see this information here. So I can see I've only just sort of discovered this application, so I've yet to build out that data, but I would be able to see the executables and shortcuts because I've discovered it. So there you go. That's the data fusion between Intune, our Intune extension, and Rimo3. Thank you for watching.